My people, una well done o. Before we start our show today, make I use this small time tell una about our guys for 1xBet wey help us sponsor this our video. Na dem be the most reliable betting platform wey dey, and dem be the official global partners of Barcelona FC, Liverpool FC and La Liga. Dem also be the official sponsor of Africa Cup of Nations. If you be person wey dey bet, you go understand wetin I mean when I talk say their odds na die. Dem get plenty better offers and bonuses like no risk bets, birthday bonuses specially for you on your birthday. Even 100% bet insurance dey, and others wey fit full this video if I talk all of them finish. Dem get new website wey dem adapt specially for Naija with better bonuses and prizes. But before you rush go register, make sure say you register with our promo code GNEXT so that you go enjoy 200% initial deposit bonus, wey mean say if you first put 2,000 naira for your account, dem go dash you 4,000 naira so that you go come get 6,000 naira to bet with. No forget o, the promo code na GNEXT, GNEXT. Thank you. Oga Mario Ansari, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala.
My brother. How you doing now?
I dey fine, sir. I believe say una watch Chelsea Man U game. Oga Sari, how you take see the match?
I swear, ba, I no sabi wetin dey worry those two teams, especially Man U.
Wetin you mean?
Since when my brother here demolish them beginning of season, dem never get mind comot come play any traditional big team for APL. E come be like say dem dey fear.
Them they fear na. Them no one collect.
Na him I dey talk na. Even to score goal, dem no fit. If na draw, dem go play 0-0. If na lose, dem no go even say make dem score one goal. Chelsea on the other hand, the only thing wey dem fit do na to dey pass ball left and right.
When you been the coach Chelsea, no be waiting you they play.
Comot for here, Joe. Wetin you know about Saliba? At least Saliba dey score goals. But this one wey to share dey play, they call am tactical football. Score, you no go gree score. Allow your opponent to score na, no. Wetin you wan do na to dey play ball for midfield.
Oga Mourinho, wetin you get to talk about that handball wey Hudson Odoi do? You believe say na PK?
I swear to God, this VAR matter don't tire me. If them give me exam, say make I write wetin suppose be PK and wetin no suppose be PK. Na F9 I go carry go house. Because me sef I no know the thing again.
Na English FA cause am na. Dem talk say na only for clear and obvious errors left dey use am change decisions.
Okay oh. But for me, I like as them no give Man U that PK.
Why?
Now wetin them do Chelsea for first leg na. You don't forget wetin Maguire do as pick later. That one PK sure pass this one sef. And VAR no even check that one. So for me, na do me I do you, God no go vex. And by the way, if to say them give that thing, it too cheap.
Okay na. On Thursday, Chelsea
Kobala, wait make I first talk something.
Okay, sir.
E get something wey dey happen now wey me I no like.
Wetin be that?
The way players dey carry hand for head in the name of head injury. That thing dey tire me oh. Person go just blow small breeze for head. The player go dey ground. They carry head like say them carry life for give am headshot.
Na because of that Jimenez head injury na. Them they try protect themselves.
Na wow. This player sabi lie oh.
Oga Mourinho, Klopp and him boys go welcome Chelsea for Anfield on Thursday. Now who you think say go win that match?
I know say Liverpool get problem oh. But I believe say them go still win Chelsea.
Comot for here. You get ovarian cancer for brain. Chelsea go win the match, Joe.
You know where?
How much you go put?
Oh, you want put money? Okay nah. Mo go 50k.
50 waiting.
50k nah. You dey fear?
Naira been a pounds.
Pounds nah. Na who naira help?
If you kuku set your job and all your property nah.
See this Mugo. You never even serious.
Nah, you no serious. How you go call that kind money? Money where I go use buy better house. Now I go waste on top Chelsea head. I beg you, carry your wahala dey go. Chelsea go stay win, sha.
They deceive yourself nah. If this video make you laugh, ba,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman breast you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.